The presidential candidate of the Labour Party in next year's general elections, Peter Obi, has assured that he will address the farmer-header crisis in Benue State. Obi stated this in Makurdi during the Labour Party's presidential rally in Benue State.
Benue State, I assure you, we will secure and bring peace to Benue State. Those in IDP camp will go back to their villages. Those people who are not in farm will go back to their farms. And with us, they will not just go back to their farm. We will make sure we support them to increase their production.
The former Anambra State governor also said if elected, he would dredge rivers Benue and Niger to address the flooding in the states. According to him, the rivers, when dredged, will improve the economic activities and ease transportation.
If they dredge River Niger and River Benue, both of them today will not only be able to contain the flood, they will become a means of transportation for local businesses.
In Makurdi, Citizen Television.